Today topic, label the parts of MS Excel window. This is the question paper question. You know the parts for all, but where you are the writing the parts names, you can understand this video. Okay, this is the parts asking in this video. See complete question paper question. You can write the using of text box, you can write the answers in this question. In this question asking 8 marks in your examination. So now write what is that in that. I am using text box. In this text box using, you can write the answers. Write your first answer. Top align. Top align. Top align. Second one, middle align. Third one, which align box this? Bottom align. This is the 3 boxes in left side, top side. That's why writing here top align, middle align, bottom align. In the right side, you understand the symbols, picture symbols also. Why can you write? In the left side symbol completely top, yes or no, this one, and this one is completely in the middle, this one completely downside. So observe the pictures also. Next, in this picture, you know everyone, what is that name? Wrap text. Wrap text means the text will wrap text means I'm told already, I'm completed that topic. Again I'm explain what is the wrap text. It means expand the words in the complete the cell. You can write here what is that answer. Wrap text. Wrap text. Next one, you can top of the sim completed, so you got the 4 marks. Next 4 marks will comes to downside. You can observe the same in the downside. Pictures we can observe. So here you can write the top. Here you can write bottom. So opposite, how to write the what is align? What is the answer? Left align. It means this is the one. So this is the right align.